What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I have an unboxing to do. I am doing this video before doing the video where I take apart the engine and find out what's wrong with it. I had some family business and I couldn't get to find out what was wrong with the engine. So the engine's still standing on the engine stand and I haven't done anything to it. So, but this came in yesterday, this big box came in from the UK, and let me tell you, I'm excited to show you guys what we got right now. So let's get in this video and then I will explain what happened, why it took so long. Definitely DHL messed up big time. So let's get in this video, do the unboxing, and I'll take it to the car. I don't think I'm gonna install it, but I'll take it over there, see how it looks. All right, we have this huge box here that came from the UK. It was sent through DHL first, and DHL really messed up. They said they couldn't find me on their system, so they returned it back to the UK, and I was so mad because I was waiting for this for a long time. And now it's here. I contacted the guy from the UK. He sent it through a different shipper, and it came back. It's here. But I was really mad with DHL. Let's get it open and see how they look. Keep in mind, I have ordered this before the engine blew up on my car. So this been a long waiting on this part right here. But I ordered this when my car was running. Now it's not running, so I won't be able to install it until I get the car running. Makes sense, right? Get the car running first. Oh man, it's been a long time waiting. And this box, these fenders were made when I ordered them. They've been traveling back and forth. So from the UK to Houston, then they ship it back to the UK, and then they ship it back to Houston again, and finally I got them. Whoa, look at this, guys. These things are wide. Can you see it? Can you see my hand? These things are wide. I can definitely sit my beer. I can definitely set my beer here. At least 3 beers. Wow, look at these fenders. These are, oh man, so smooth, awesome quality. You know what? These are ABW fenders, wide body for the rally style. I know I have the rear RPG, but I chose ABW for the front. The reason why, because RPG is wide right here and then it goes back to normal on the bottom, and these ones are wide all the way, like the real rally car. Can you see? These are the fenders for the bug eye, for the WRC kit build that I'm gonna start doing. Wow, look at this. They're really wide. Huh. To be honest, guys, I never seen this type of fenders in life, they are wider than I expected, which is good. They are wider than I expected, which is awesome, guys. It's awesome. They're well made, good quality. Look at this. Everything, the markings, everything's good. It's perfect. So this is one right here. One right here. Look at that. Wow. Man, boy. Look how wide this thing is. This is gonna be sick. It was worth it waiting for these fenders. Keep in mind, I ordered them way before the engine blew up on my car. And it's been a little while. So like I said, they made them. They sent them to me. DHL could not find me on their system. They said they needed a passport to find me. What the heck? So I contacted the seller had them because DHL sent them back. So now he sent it through another shipping company that did really good. Really good. All right, what I'm gonna do is just gonna go set it on the car like this. I'm not gonna take the fender. Okay guys, as I was saying, the engine is still on the engine stand. I haven't done anything. I had some family matters over the weekend and didn't get a chance to work on it. Here it is, still sitting here on the engine stand. I haven't taken it apart yet, but this is gonna be next. I'll probably start on it, I don't know, tomorrow, whenever. But let me compare this right here to that. Yeah, you see here my hand? You see over here? It's like complete hand. It's like, I don't know, it's wide. So let me just set it on and see what it looks like. My plan was to remove these fenders and do a test fit. I know they fit, but somebody asked to install these fenders and see how it would look with the Pro Drive bumper. But since I got the car with no engine, I need to get this done first. And this came in. I just wanted to do an unboxing, but this is what's gonna look like here. It looks like it's gonna work fine. It looks exactly the same, but they are super wide. They are super wide. Look at this. How wide it is. I mean, can't even see it because I was white. But this is it. This is it. We are going wide. I'm gonna do everything. Make it look like the replica of the WRC. So now we need to order the bumper, the right one, because I seen other bumpers that they don't look the same. I gotta order that one first, and then I'll start slapping everything in the car. But I'm gonna have to get this car running as soon as possible. I know this engine is bad. I'm just gonna I'm gonna just remove and then find out what happened, because a lot of you have been asking what happened, what caused it, why all 4 cylinders are not building compression. I'm asking myself the same question. So That's the only reason why I'm doing that. If not, I would have just picked up another engine and slap everything on it and put it inside the car. But it's alright, I'm just taking my time, you know. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for this video. It was just a small, short unboxing for you. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more projects like this. You're gonna see this car like a rally. I'm gonna change the wheels too. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to it. And but the next video you're gonna see is me taking apart this motor. And I'm gonna start tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So you're probably gonna see that video for Friday. This video is gonna come up and we're gonna find out what the heck happened to this engine. Alright guys, peace. I'm excited. Peace, peace, peace.